What's up, bro? How you doing? The restaurant across the street just called the cops on you, man. I don't know. They said it was suspicious. I have a scanner. That's why I know. I was listening to the scanner. So just a heads up, all right? Police are probably coming.
I pulled up behind this subject and I'm watching him from Palm Street if you want a 97 back here.
So the people across the street called the cops on this guy. He was over the scanner as suspicious. Now the cops are just sitting here. Didn't need to back up. Now they're dipping. Alright, good. I just saved you, dude. I just saved you. Because they don't like cameras. Whenever they see a guy with a camera, they just leave. The police.
Camera? I don't have a camera.
Me? You see my cameras?
Yeah.
Yeah. They know me, they don't like what I do, so they don't like interacting, so they just leave when they see me.
Yeah.
But the people across the street called the cops on you.
Why?
They said you're suspicious.
What? That's crazy.
Yeah, I know, man.
I'm a disabled Vietnam veteran, 100%. Where's the bus stop at?
The nearest bus stop, right over there. If you go down this hill,
Yeah.
it's right over around the corner. Were you just hanging out?
Yeah, I was on my way to San Francisco and got tired of riding on the bus. I got to San Francisco. Slept overnight.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, I'm gonna take off, but I wanna. You see that next street right there?
Yeah.
It's just over right there to the left, right where that white car is, in front of that white car. And there's a bus stop with the little cover and everything. You can't miss it. All right, man.
For the information.
Yeah, have a good one. Be careful out here.
They're all commercial pilots.
425 code 4.
They're back up the one.
So as far as that goes, she doesn't want to let you know that you can't be out near the COVID testing site, and she wanted you to advise to trespass. see if they can help you out, or
Yeah, he's seeing a client right now. He's going to see him right now.
Okay, so but you just can't hang out over there, okay? They don't want you on the phone. You want to hang out in the shed, you can get here. You want to stay on the sun. All right, sir. Have a good day.
They got you, huh? What happened now?
I'll play with some loose cheese.
Yeah?
I got pissed off.
The lady, what happened to her?
They shouldn't have left their car unlocked.
Oh.
It's crazy.
Not that hard, right?
So when I get
Well, he opened my glove compartment, took everything from there, and I asked him where it was. He gave me another checkbook, and my checkbook was inside of this little card, so I grabbed it. But I want to make sure that he doesn't have anything else for me, because I can't tell exactly where it is. But like, it's coins and money from me from the glove compartment, and the rest.
This is the guy that was at the vet's hall.
My name's Officer Aries from the police department. Okay.
He was unlocked.
Okay.
Oh, this is a new thing.
Oh, okay. Anything on you that else that belongs inside the car? Stand up. Okay. On three. Okay. Whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Go back to my car, okay?
Thanks, Mr. Davis. I know, we'll give you a second to kind of get the beans out of your feet. So we got to walk over to the car over here, okay?
What was that? Yeah, so we're going to go try to find it for you, okay?
We're going to walk up to the flag and see if I can show you. You right a little bit?
I understand, no one wants to see an old guy get arrested, but when you admittedly go into people's cars and look for change, this is kind of what you're gonna get. So I understand. It's never fun watching an old dude get arrested. He's a vet. He's done this before. He's on hard times. He got trespassed from the vet's hall for doing this. At the beginning of my other video, this is what he was doing over there at the vet's hall. So he's going into people's cars and looking for change, that's what's going on.